Whether you're preparing for CQS reaccreditation or onboarding new staff, our training equips your team with the knowledge and confidence to meet CQS obligations, and it comes with a lot more than you'd expect. Access Legal is one of just 3 Law Society approved CQS training providers. Trusted by over 1,000 firms since 2019, get all 4 mandatory courses, including Conveyancing Practice 2026 and Risk, Compliance and Client Care 2026, fully updated for the latest syllabi, along with Financial Crime and Protocol in Practice. But here's where it gets interesting. Your CQS package includes expert webinars, 5 ready-made CQS policies to support your firm, a world-class learning management system with bite-sized modules, and access to the EVO platform with AI-powered support, all in one place. Complete CQS compliance. Everything your firm needs from one trusted provider. Get in touch today and get your team CQS ready for 2026.